I chose Octopus with EyeSuite for a few reasons. One was that it was easily hooked up to our electronic medical records.
I think in some ways you can say maybe EyeSuite chose me. And what I mean by that is we're looking for a better way of doing perimetry, and we're looking at technology which will kind of take us to the next level. And the thing which attracted me to it was its connectivity, as well as some of the packages and programs that it was able to offer me which other machines haven't.
What we're having the most trouble with, quite honestly, was maintaining older perimeters that seem to be breaking down. Floppy drives are going dead. We can't buy floppy disks anymore for the type of floppy drive that we have with our current or with our older perimeters. And we couldn't network. And we're getting ready to transition to electronic health records, so we said we need to look for something that's a little more modernized.
The Octopus with EyeSuite very easily allows us to merge the data from multiple visual field machines. In fact, it merges them effortlessly.
We chose Octopus with EyeSuite for our practice because we were going to an EMR system, and we found that it had the best network connectivity.
We've been really impressed with how well the Octopus with EyeSuite integrates to our EMR. And that has made our use of visual fields as a glaucoma subspecialty practice much, much easier because of the tools they put right at the clinician's fingertips.
To have it an easy system in place where I can look at my patient's chart and also look at their results of their visual fields was extremely valuable.